from? Acha, it's office number. Okay. I can't speak to you. Can I call you later?
For a match,
I'm in the middle of something.
before a journey, we pack our bags. We plan for everything, but do you plan for our planet? That's why today we are here to talk about the importance of thinking ahead. Shall we? Do you hear that? It is the sound of the future calling us. Yes, Ashwin. It is asking me, will you protect me or forget me? Our answer begins with a one simple idea. Think ahead. Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges, dignitaries, and media. Today, my name is Ashwin. My name is Shalvin. Today, we are here to talk on very important topic. Think ahead. Thinking ahead means planning for the future and realizing that our actions today have consequences tomorrow. It is very important when it is coming to protecting our earth. Our planet uses everything: food, water, and shelter. But every day humans pollute, waste, and overuse resources. We don't think ahead, the future generation may not enjoy what we enjoy today. So we must think ahead. The earth is our home, not just for us, but our children and grandchildren. If we act careless, the future generation may face scarcity of water, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and climate change. Thinking ahead means taking responsibility of every small step we take today, like planting trees, saving water, can create a big impact in the future. Shall we? Let us show a few recent happenings. The Amazon rainforest, huge parts of Amazon being cut down for farming and industries. This destroys animals' habitat and reduce oxygen production, increase global warming. Scientists call the Amazon the lungs of the earth. Imagine what happens if lungs are damaged. Air pollution in cities. Cities like Delhi face severe air pollution. Children, elders suffer with asthma, lung problem, and even reduce life expectancy. Most of these causes by vehicles, factories, and burning waste. Plastic pollution in oceans. Every year, billions of tons of plastic is dumped into the ocean. Sea turtle, fish is mistakenly plastic for food and die. Scientists say by 2050 there could be more plastic fish in ocean if we don't act now. Disaster made caused by human action. Floods in Kerala, erupts into Maharashtra, wildfire of Australia and California are worsened by deforestation and global warming. Nature is sending warnings, but humans are not still fully listening. Oh, really, Ashwin? Let us understand what is the effective actions we can take today. First, we must save water. Not only that, we must plant more trees and encourage recycling. Exactly, Ashwin. We must use our energy wisely and protect the wildlife. Shopping. These actions may seem small, but if everyone thinks and acts, that can stay clean, green, and healthy for our children and grandchildren. Thinking ahead, it is just about nature, ensuring a safe and healthy world for people who will come after us. Even here, students can think ahead by reducing waste in school, spreading awareness about the climate change, and encouraging our families and friends to take care of our environment. So friends, let us remember the choice we will take today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let's think ahead and act responsibly, like saving water, planting trees, reduce waste, and protect wildlife so that our future generation can enjoy a clean, green, and safe life. As Swami Vivekananda said, the greatest sin is to think that you are not brilliant. Every action, no matter how small matter, we are not weekend. We are guardians of our planet. Let us think ahead to build a brighter, greener, and safer tomorrow. One earth, one choice. Don't let the earth go up in smoke. Save it before it chokes. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.